In this video, you'll learn how to add the MEMEFI contract address to your OKX Web3 wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your crypto assets more effectively within the wallet interface. Start by navigating to the OKX website. You can do this by typing okx.com into your web browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the OKX platform, which includes various options related to trading and wallets. Next, locate the More option on the top navigation menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list. From this list, select Web3. This action will take you to the Web3 wallet section where you can manage various blockchain assets. After that, find and click on the account or wallet option within this interface. This will direct you to your wallet overview where you can see your current assets and balances. Ensure that you are on the right screen before proceeding to the next step. Once you are on the wallet overview page, click on Portfolio. This section displays a detailed view of your holdings across different networks. It is important to familiarize yourself with this area as it will provide insights into your overall asset distribution. Now look for the option labeled All Networks and click on it. From the drop-down that appears, either choose Ether, SUI, or use the search function to find it. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify the network for the MEMEFI contract address you wish to add. Next, click on Manage Crypto. This action will open a new interface where you can control your cryptocurrency assets. Ensure you are still within the right network to avoid any confusion during the process. Then locate and click on Custom Crypto. This section allows you to add new contract addresses that are not already listed in your wallet. Make sure to have the MEMEFI contract address ready to paste in the next step. Now search for SUI within the Custom Crypto section. Once you find it, paste the MEMEFI contract address into the designated field. It is important to double check the address for accuracy to avoid any potential loss of funds. Finally, click on the Add button to complete the process. After clicking, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the MEMEFI contract has been successfully added to your wallet. If you encounter any issues, verify your internet connection and ensure that you have sufficient storage in your wallet for new assets. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.